to church is just over, and I eat chicks. I drive to church today. I drive, but unfortunately we do not have a video of that because my father was too busy instructing me on how to drive. People, I know how to drive. I'm very good at it. It's just that there might have been some incident along the way if I didn't have an instructor, because I'm not a professional driver yet. Hi. Thumbnail. No, I'm not a goat. Tuesday was my auntie's birthday and we surprised her with a brand new table, so I'm going to go up to her house and sit her on a brand new table because, you know. Bye. Thumbnail. Why you barefoot? So weird. Shayde, Kayla, whatever you want to call me. I'm open to all names, not all pronouns though. Welcome back to my video. Today will be about me. Did I mention that I drove today? I did. There's no evidence that I did. Just like how there's no evidence of me going in the water. For some reason, people are not videoing me when I'm doing these amazing stuff, man. I'm like, y'all downplaying my awesomeness. But it's okay. Downplay all you want. That doesn't mean it didn't happen. Back to what I was saying. What was I saying? I drove today? Yeah, that's what I was saying. So now I'm just here waiting on my dad. He says coming at 5:30 and the time is now 5:15. We just ate dinner. Curry, mutton, and rice with plantain and vegetables. My father will come back. Hopefully I can get him to video me driving, go back home. So what happened is my cousin stabbed me on my foot. And I was like, Kuna Matata. That's very clever. That was pretty clever. It's so tiring to talk. How do YouTubers talk all the time? Talk what's in their thoughts. My thoughts are empty. I don't have thoughts, if that makes sense. My brain half the time is just blank, just zoning out through life. That's why I have less wrinkles. That's why I have less wrinkles. I was wearing my glasses today because my glasses bring out my face. But I put them in my bag because they also hurt my face. But I have my little cousin glasses here. Let me try them on. Her face is bigger than mine, so these are probably gonna be really loose, and I don't like glasses loose. What are those? What are those? I don't like how these look on my face. Thumbnail. Life is just... Y'all probably thought I was done with the birthday vlogs. No, I'm not, because the presents from my mom have not arrived yet. So you probably noticed I didn't post a video on Friday that's passed. And the reason for that is I was talking to my mom on video call and she said to me, your teeth's cooking. And I'm like, my teeth's cooking? And she's like, yeah, your teeth's cooking. But I've never really noticed it. So now that I'm looking at it, my teeth are cooking, and I've been aware of that. So when I was trying to film a vlog or something on Friday, all I could see was my teeth. So now what I'm doing is I'm looking into my eyes and not in my mouth because it's so weird. So weird. She's like, get braces. Honestly, I could live without braces. I could. But now that she mentioned it, it's bothering me and I kind of want them now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, please, to your friends who might like me, and comment down below what type of videos you want to see me do. Trust me, if you comment anything down below, the chances that I can't make it happen are very slim. I can do the impossible because the impossible said to itself, I'm possible. Smart. My father is calling. My father is here. I'm gonna put on my sneakers. Scuffle on my black shoes. and my white shoes. Now I have to go home and wash this. If you want to see what dress I wore this Sunday, you can go check it out on my Instagram. It's like the first picture I've ever posted, and I don't post much on my Instagram, but I'll try to post more often. I'll try to communicate with people more on Instagram. Let me head down the stairs now. Bye. Joke, I gotta take my phone with me. I'm heading home. There was a time when I called up the glasses. You know what? I don't even have the keys, so I'm gonna just put it down on the counter. This is not theft, everyone. Let's just hope she thought she left it there and not the fact that I was about to steal it. I'll check. It's the morning after. Just woke up, pulled out my hair, washed my face. I'm gonna wet my hair now so it untangles a little bit before I wash it. I did dry foam yesterday, but once again my father refuses to film me because, in his words, I'm not turning the steering wheel correctly. If I wasn't turning the steering wheel correctly, we wouldn't have arrived at our destination. But you know, that's fine. One day, someday, somehow, I'll set up a camera in his car. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see y'all another day. It doesn't even smell bad. It's not even oily either. It's just, I know it's dirty. Peace out.